This is reports for the end of the month. And, if we use this button, it automatically adds a total to the number of items sold that month. You don't want your colleagues to influence this by increasing the amount sold when you are not aware and causing you to be in a serious situation with your boss. So what you can do is to lock your total so that anybody that is seeing it or going through it cannot influence or change information that was sold for the month. How do we go about this? Just highlight this total. Go to your Review tab. Click Protect Sheet. So here, you're going to input a password you can remember. So I'll put a password. I'll press OK. I'll re-enter the password again and press OK. So after you submit this document and maybe your colleagues now open it and want to influence the price, this is what they'll see. The cell you're trying to change is on protected sheet. So they need the password before they can modify information on any of these cells. So this makes you more safer when you're working in an environment whereby your colleagues are not in good terms with you. This will really save you a lot, and there's no fear of having changes in your report and actual money that comes into the business for the month. So that's it.